app, and I just religiously used to watch all her videos, like sleeping, walking, talking. I will just watch her videos. I used to like love them. Watch all her videos, like so great. I love her. She teaches like children, like the way you teach a class when a class to kid, she teaches that way, and I love the fact about her, that thing about her.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Ankita Mishra for scoring a topmost rank of 68 in MCh OBG group. Congratulations to you, doctor.
Thank you so much, sir.
And also thank you for sparing your valuable time to share your valuable experiences with us and also to the students.
It's my pleasure, sir. Thank you so much.
Great. Now, can we know a brief background about yourself, where you started till date, what all you have done?
Sir, I have done my MBBS from MCh Medical College, Parampur, Odisha. Then from 2015. Then in 2022, I joined my PG in Cuttack, which is my hometown, SCB Medical College, Cuttack. And after PG only, I'm continuing my SRship here only at SCB.
Great, doctor. Great achievement and accomplishment. And super specialty, what super specialty you're interested in OBG?
So we have only two options. I took OBG
Reproductive
for the
medicine or
certificate of
gynecology, which one?
or gynecology.
Which
I
one?
sir don't want to miss any one of them. I'm actually having FOMO right now, so I've not decided yet.
Okay,
Actually.
very good. Excellent. Now, once you decided to do a super specialty, when did you decide? And once you decided to do so, what all you did in the back end and what is the strategy to achieve this rank?
Sir, actually, from first year only, we had all the CMEs and conferences. When we used to go there, there were specific topics in CM for the CME as well as the conference. Then I got to know that yes, we can do beyond like just the general OBGY. We can go beyond it. And when I came across various postings in gynae onco as well as infertility, then I got to know the subjects as well. Then I thought, yes, I should also do something like that. And the thought came from those only.
Excellent, excellent. Great. Now, what all you prepared, how you prepared to work on to this exam and got this?
So the main thing is from first year only, in all the conferences, CMEs or all the events, there were PG quizzes in all those events.
Okay.
I like sincerely, religiously took part in all the PG quizzes throughout the 3 years. I had like taken part in 20 of them. I had won in like 15 of them. I
Wow.
am a like Miss Paglu, so I take part in all of them. And that actually helped me to finish my syllabus along like in a sporty manner, and I finished the syllabus in those 3 years, like taking part in all those quizzes only.
Great. Congratulations. You are a professional quizzer.
Thank you so much.
Because thereby you'll be preparing to a single point answer and point blank answers. Then you'll be tuned to that kind of a preparation. Very good. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
So, how many questions were able to attend this exam, and what was your opinion on this paper for you?
Sir, actually, I had gone through the previous year questions. I know they are not to the point accurate, but the questions were, I think, very different this time. Like, not from the super specialty very much, the super specialty topics very much. They were like in general practical questions. The number of questions were more, and there were also few questions from neonat as well. And like the 50 minutes time division also in the I left, I think, 3 questions from each set. Like the questions I was completely unsure of, I left them. Even if I was 75% sure about one question, I used to attempt those questions. So I had done like 145 questions out of 144 questions out of 150. And that's all.
Okay, great. Doctor, what will be your advice for the future aspirants of MCG OBG group, MCH OBG group?
Uh, 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 Whoever had this in mind that this is the like end subject and we don't have anything further to do in this subject, please get the that concept out of your head. There is so much beyond just general OBG, and we should definitely explore more of the subject.
Great. And who introduced speed to you? What was your experience of speed for preparing for this exam?
Sir, I came across your app, and you while like on a lazy day, I was scrolling the Instagram, And I came across your app, and Revati madam is so great. I love her. She teaches like children, like the way you teach a class one or class two kid. She teaches that way, and I love the fact about her. That thing about her. I just religiously used to watch all her videos, like sleeping, walking, talking. I will just watch her videos. I used to like love them, and yes, so that way I went on.
Great, great. And time to thank and whom all you want to thank, and you feel that they stood by you from day one till date, you can use the platform to thank everybody.
Of course, first comes my mother. She has stood behind me like a rock. She has done everything for me. The thought of becoming a doctor came from her only. From class 8, I had this dream and I went for it blindly. She has supported me very well. And all my family, entire family, I have a little sister. She's like an elder sister to me. She like takes care of me more than I do for her. And I have a very nice department actually. My department is also very supportive. My HOD and the unit in which I was posted, everyone like they have invariably and like impartially supported me to take part and to be anywhere, everywhere without replacements, without that extra stress. They have left me to do to participate in everything, and I just love that about everyone.
Great, great. And it is very, very, very nice discussing with you. And thanks for sharing all your valuable experiences and tips for the students to follow. Once again, we wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and amazing and a wonderful career following your MCH OBG group. Best wishes to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.